Hello COM-FSM. Today we are going to register online using MyShark. There's 3 steps. First, step 1, contact your academic advisor to get approval to register online. Step 2, go to MyShark and register. And step 3, pay the registration fee. Okay, step 1. Before you contact your academic advisor, please note that if you have an outstanding balance, you have to visit the business office to clear first for registration before your academic advisor can approve you for registration. Once you have your academic advisor's approval, you can proceed to step 2. Open a web browser, go to comfsm.fm or the college website. On the upper right corner, under the Quick Access drop-down, click MyShark. That will direct you to the MyShark page. Enter your login name and password, which is the same as your email address as the login name, password as the password of your email address. Go ahead and enter that. Press enter and you will be directed to your MyShark page. Now, if you already know the courses that you're going to register with, you can check on available sections if they are offered. For example, summer 2020, it will show you all the courses that are available for summer 2020. Now, if you've seen that it's available, then you can proceed to online registration. Click on register for a section by subject and course number. For example, you have MS 100. Click add and you're already reserved for that course. To add another section, go ahead and do the same. Register for a section by subject and course number. For example, CA 100 and click add. And then you are already reserved for 2 sections for summer 2020. If you want to change a course or drop a course, click on drop a section that you are currently enrolled in. For example, you're dropping MS 100, just click on drop on the left side of the course. And your course is dropped. To add another section, register for a by subject and course number. MS 100. Going on the other section, click add. And then you're reserved for 2 sections. If you click on class schedule, this will show you the courses that you already registered with. Please note that if your registration fee is not paid on or before the due date, your registration will be voided or will be not invalidated. So that's how you register online using MyShark. Thank you and good luck exploring.